Hi everyone, I'm Ferd and welcome to my video. Today I'm working on a Toro recycler. It's got the Kohler engine, front wheel drive, self-propelled. The problem that it's having is the front wheels won't propel. And I think that the belt may be broke on it. So we're going to roll this thing over on its side, take everything off of it, and we're going to replace the belt. Enjoy the video. Okay, before you flip this over on its side, you want to make sure that your dipstick is on the opposite side of you and it's on there tight. On this side, pull your gas cap off and put it back on and make sure that it's on there correctly and it's tight. Then we can just lift it up and flip it over like that. We have access to everything that we need to get to make this repair. Okay, first thing we want to do is get the blade off of it. There we go. Okay, I got a 3/8 socket. And take this plastic cover off of there. This also holds the back of that cover up on the top that we're going to be taking off. Okay, we got two more right here. And the cover should come off the front of it. There it is. As you can see, the belt didn't break. It just came off of the pulley for some reason. So I need to get this off of here, try to find out why it did that, and put a new belt on it anyway. Here we go. Okay, we need to release this cable. There's a squeezer. Pour out, slip her up. Work that hook out of there. There we go. To remove these screws, you're going to need a square driver. This one is an S2. There's 3 of them there. There's 2 on the bottom and 1 up here on the top. And we can pull this cover off and remove the belt. And with our new belt, we're just going to reverse everything to install it. Get our belt on there. Get our little plate started. This is the one with the square screw. Okay, there we go. Get that. Get some started in the bottom. Now with these screws, be careful when you tighten them. They're going to go into plastic, so you don't want to strip it out. Just tighten them down till they stop. Okay, now we're going to put the spring back in it. This thing's a tough one to get in there. There we go. Hook our cable up. That part's done. We got our belt hooked up at the top, got our spring and our cable installed, and we're ready to come down here, put the belt on this end. Just take our blade adapter, put the belt around the pulley like that. We're going to put it on the shaft and just turn it until it lines up with that keyway while you're pressing in on it. There it goes. And if it doesn't go up all the way, we're going to take his back out. It has a little washer in there. This thing right here. And if that's laying sideways, you're not going to be able to push this pulley all the way up there. You turn it sideways, slide it in there and push it down and shake it till it lays flat down inside of it. Put our pulley back on there. Turn it. And it goes all the way up. Starting with the front cover. Make sure your belt's in this area here when you put it on the other side. I'm going to start a screw right here. Just get her started. And I'm going to come around the other side. Make sure your hole's lined up here at the top. We'll take our other screw, hopefully without dropping it, and we'll get that one started. Now we'll take this part with the shoulder bolts and start these the same way. That one went in okay. There it goes. If you're having trouble lining these up, make sure these are loose so you can jiggle this around. Once we got them all in place, go ahead and turn them till they stop. You're screwing into plastic, so don't try to crank these down too tight. When it stops, that's when you stop. Trust me, they're not going to come out of there. There we go. Now we can put our blade back on. Now would be a good time to sharpen it, balance it. You got the blade. You got this bracket on the bottom. And your bolt. Start it by hand and crank it down. All right, the moment of truth. If you made it this far in the video, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got some good information out of it. Remember to hit that like and subscribe button on the way out. Join the channel. Got a lot of videos up there. Got a lot more coming. Ring that notification bell and you'll get notified as soon as I put them up. Remember to stay safe in the shop. Always wear your safety glasses and have fun. Thank you for watching.